Okay, all of you, open your books, English reader books. Everybody, we were doing very good. Everybody, good. And open lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, King Midas and the Golden Touch. Very good. Yes, Aliza, right. Everybody. Okay, good. We have started in the last class with the lesson number 3, the King Midas and the Golden Touch. Okay, everybody open your videos. Very good. And sit straight, everybody, so that I can see everybody. Yes, Jivisha, you can type in the chat box. Open your videos, others also. Okay. So we have started with this lesson, and we have done first 3 pages of the lesson. Okay, we have done the first 3 pages of the lesson, and now we are on page number 20. Okay, page number 20. We will be again starting from the beginning of the page, that is from the first line. No, no, cried the king and said. We will repeat these 2, 3 paragraphs, small paragraphs. Okay, and I will read them for you, and then we will move on further, and I will ask one by one other students to read it also. Okay, Vidhi, sit straight. Okay, next is uh, so it was a story of King Midas who wanted to be more and more rich, and the richest king in the world, for which he wanted more, and he was having a very big room in his castle which was already full of gold. And he also had a daughter. The name of his little daughter was Marigold, and he loved his daughter very much. And one day, when he was in his garden, a fairy came and congratulated him for being the richest king in the world. And she also asked him that if he want to be more rich, and when the king expressed his desire that yes, he wants to be more rich or the richest person, she gave him a one wish, and the wish was that whatever or anything he will touch will turn into gold from the very next morning. And the next day, when the king woke up and he touched his bed to check whether the wish granted by the fairy is working, the bed turned into gold. Is it clear? Again, also, then he was so happy and excited that he started moving into his room and started touching other things like table, chair, almirah, door, windows, etc. All the things turned into gold. Also, then he was so happy and he started feeling hungry. So he went down, and as soon as he tried to pick up the glass of clear water, that glass also turned into gold. Also, when he was picking up an apple to eat, the apple also turned into gold. And he was now hungry because he could not eat anything, as all the things were turning into gold as soon as he was trying to touch them. Suddenly, who came there? His daughter Mary Gold. And when King Midas touched his daughter, she also turned into gold statue. This was the time when he was now, that is the King Midas, he really now realized his mistake, that being greedy and having the desire of the gold is not good. And and there was a grief in him, and he started calling fairy back again so that he can apologize for his mistake. That is, he could ask sorry. Apologize means to ask sorry for his mistake, and wanted the fairy to take away that horrible wish which he wanted, was that was of turning everything into gold. And the very next moment, fairy came and realized that now King Midas was actually feeling guilty, or he has now realized his mistake that the gold is not everything in this world. So then she had a conversation with him, and which we will be now continuing from here, which is on page number 20 of the book. Harshvardhan, do you want to read? Harshvardhan, do you want to read? Okay, I will unmute you, Harshvardhan. Yes, Harshvardhan, you can unmute yourself and read.
मैम क्या रीड करना है?
Page number 20.
मैम कहाँ से?
First line. No, no, cried the
Okay,
king.
ma'am. No, cried the king and said, please forgive me for my undue greed. I do not need gold alone. Are you sure that you no longer wish the golden touch? Asked the fairy.
Very good.
I have learnt my lesson, said the king. I no longer think gold is the greatest thing in the world.
Okay, very good. Stop here, Harshvardhan. Yeah, very good. Now, now when the king cried, no, no, please forgive me for my this greedy nature. I don't want gold anymore. Then the fairy confirmed him that, are you sure that you do want your wish any more further? Then he said, yes, fairy, I am sure that I don't want my wish. I have learned the lesson that gold is not the greatest thing in the world. Is it clear? Yes, Arshit Agarwal, what do you want to ask? You can unmute yourself, Harshit. Yes. Yes, Harshit.
Ma'am, I want to read.
Okay, read. Yeah,
Ma'am,
you
I
can
want
read.
to read.
Okay, read.
The fairy was moved by the miserable condition of the king. She gave Midas a jug full of water and asked him to wash his hands with the water.
Okay.
She asked to sprinkle that water on his daughter and other things so that they could again turn into their original forms. And so the fairy disappeared.
Okay, Harshit Agarwal, you can
Midas
wait here.
took
Harshit, you can wait here, Harshit. Okay, you can stop here and also mute yourself. Now, the fairy was moved by the miserable condition of the king. That is, moved by means she was feeling very sad. That is, she felt very sad now that the king's condition was now miserable. Miserable means pitiful, not very happy. So she gave Midas a jug which was full of water and asked him to wash his clothes with that water. Why did she ask her to do so? So that the magic or the wish she has granted to King Midas, that everything he will touch will turn into gold. So that the wish which he was granted should go away from his hand. And now, if he would now try to touch anything, that thing will not turn into gold. So she told him to wash his hands with the water, and she also asked him to sprinkle that water on his daughter and all the other things which he had touched and were turned into gold. So by doing so and by saying so, the fairy disappeared. That is, disappeared means went away. Is it clear? Anybody else wants to read? You can raise your hands. Okay, Aryan, you can read. Aryan, you can read. Next paragraph.
Midas took the jug of water and did what the fairy had asked him to do. Midas was real
Relieved.
relieved of his golden touch. He
Okay.
also got back his daughter, and everything was as before. Midas felt relieved and freed himself from the lust of gold.
Okay. Thank you, Aaron.
Even today,
Okay, thank you, Aaron. Okay. Now Midas took the jug of water and did what the fairy told him to do. Okay. Then what happened? The Midas was relieved from his golden touch because he has already washed his hand with the water of the jug. So his power of touching anything and turning into gold has now gone away, and he was now relieved. And he also got his hand before the touch of gold. And he also now felt relieved and freed himself from the lust of gold. Lust means the desire or selfishness to have more and more of anything. And he had a lust of gold, that is a desire, greed of having more of gold. So with this, his greediness or greed of having more of gold was also gone away, and he was now free. Next, who will read? Rhythm, do you want to read? Shubham wants to read. Shubham Mansal, you want to read? Okay. Shubham, you can unmute yourself and read. Shubham. Yes, Shubham, read it.
Asked to sprinkle that water
Shubham,
on
Shubham,
his
Shubham, Shubham. We are on the paragraph, second last paragraph. Even today, some people are greedy like Midas. Yes, Shubham,
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
We are on the second last paragraph. Even today, some people are greedy like Midas. You have to read it from here. Have you got it? Have you got it, Shubham? Okay. Anybody else want to read?
Jug of water and did what the fairy had asked him to do.
Shubham, just a second, Shubham. I will mute you. Anybody else wants to read? Karthik, you can read. Unmute yourself, Karthik. Karthik Kumar. Yes, you can read. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Karthik. Read
Even
page number.
today,
Hmm.
even today, some people are greedy, like Midas. They are mad after when they want to get more and more money by fair or foul means. They think well around then give them real happiness, but they are mistake. The days of Midas is before us all.
Okay. Okay, now, even today, some people are greedy like with us. Everybody wants something or the other. Somebody wants gold, somebody
Yes,
wants many friends to have with them, somebody wants, they have some or the other greed. Like you are students, what will be the greed of yours at this age? That you want more of pencils, you have more and more of love of your parents also. You might be feeling like, now my father should love me more than my brother and sister. Or you of pencils, books, clothes. Somebody wants more, that the parents should buy more clothes for them. We all have some of the other greed. So, but they, and many people who are elderly, they have the greed of wealth. Is it clear? Mostly, the elderly people, they have the greed of wealth, and they want to get more and more money by fair or foul means. Fair means right, and foul means wrong. Is it clear? So everybody either wants the money, more and more of money by fair or foul means. And because they think that only wealth is the one which can give them happiness. But they are mistaken. This is wrong. Only wealth cannot give us happiness. And this was the same case of the Midas, who thought that if he will be having more of gold, he will be the richest king in the world. Only then he will be happy. No, but later he realized that when his greed of getting more gold, and he found that his most loving daughter, the person whom he loved the most, she also turned into gold, and also he was not able to drink and to eat and to satisfy his hunger or thirst. He realized his mistake, and he also felt that no, gold is or the wealth is not the only thing which can make us happy. Then it says, contentment is the greatest wealth and the real source of happiness in life. Contentment means satisfaction. Satisfaction of what we have. Satisfaction of the things which are provided to us at a particular age. Like, so the satisfaction is the greatest wealth and the real source of happiness. Even if we are satisfied, suppose we are not so rich, and but we are satisfied that we all live together in a family, and our basic needs are satisfied. We get everything what we want, but not in too much excess, and we are satisfied. And that is we are content. Then it is then this is the real wealth and the greatest source of happiness. Okay, have you all understood, everybody? So
Yes,
contentment is the greatest wealth and the real source of happiness. Is it clear? If you will feel, oh मेरे पास तो है ना, मेरे पापा के पास कार नहीं है, सिर्फ बाइक है, and my friend's father is having car and that also big, then you will not be satisfied. आपके पास you might be feeling that you are having not a good set of pencils, but your friend is having, you are not satisfied. If you will not be satisfied, then you will not be the happiest person. But if you are happy with what you have and satisfied with that, you will be the happiest person, and nobody else can take away that satisfaction from you also. Is it clear? And nobody can make you dissatisfied or unhappy person. Got it, everybody?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come on, page number 21. Page number 21, everybody. Rhythm, sit all alone. Rhythm, I will first explain you. I will first explain you the word meanings. Okay, and then we will move on to the exercise, and you can write down the answers of the exercise in the chat box. So first is greedy. Greedy is what? Greedy is a person who is hungry to get more and more of anything. Is it clear? Next is castle. Castle is a very big and beautiful mansion. Mansion means a big house. A very, very big house is known as a castle. Crept means to move slowly. To move slowly but at a steady pace. That is to steady. That is at a regular pace. हम move करते रहते हैं, but slowly move करेंगे. We don't stop. That is known as crept. Grief means sorrow, unhappiness, pain. Horrible. Horrible means something which is frightful or unpleasant, which we do not like. So, like if I give you any idea and you do not find it interesting, you can say it's a horrible idea, right? Next, forgive. Forgive means stop feeling angry of someone mistake. Forgive, that is to forgive somebody. Next is miserable. Miserable again, unhappy, pitiful. The fairy was she was feeling guilty for the for the miserable condition of the king. Next is contentment, that is a state of happiness and satisfaction. Is it clear to everybody? Sit straight, Mahima. Mahima. So now we will be starting with the exercise on page number 21. You can write down the answers in the chat box. First is pick the correct answer. What did Midas ask from the fairy?
Lot of gold.
Very good. Lot of gold. Very good. Next is second one. Right answer. Harshit, Angel. Next is, why did fairy grant the boon to the golden boom of the golden touch to Midas? You can give the options also, A, B, or C. Fairy wanted Midas to realize that wealth alone cannot satisfy a man. Second is she was moved by the poverty of Midas. Third, she knew that Midas will be unhappy with the boon and will be eager to return it. Okay,
Marigold.
everybody has
Marigold.
given the right answer. Everybody has given the right answer, and the option is A. The right option is A of second. Very good, Aryan. Right answer. Next is third. What was the name of Midas' daughter? Marigold is the right answer. Very good, everybody. Fourth is, what is the
Contentment.
great wealth and real source of happiness? It is contentment. Okay, right answer is contentment. Everybody. Okay, very good.
Said.
Okay. Next is, okay. Let's turn to the next exercise on page number 22, exercise number B. Fill in the blanks. The fairy dash Midas for being one of the richest king of the world. No, 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 Disha, no. Fairy dash Midas. फेरी ने मिदास को क्या किया था फॉर बीइंग वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पर्सन, क्योंकि वो रिचेस्ट पर्सन था. व्हेन फेरी केम व्हाट डिड शी डू टू हिम? नो, कैन आई ट्राई? ऑल ऑफ यू कैन ट्राई. Anybody else would like to try? Hitat, sit straight. Hitat Madnani. Okay, congratulations. Bish, very good. Anybody else? Hitat, sit straight. Hitat. Okay. What did she do? Aliza, Bish. No. The right answer is congratulated. Very good, Lakshit. Anybody else? So, fairy congratulated. You can write down the spelling. C-O-N. Everybody write down. C-O-N-G-R-A-T-U-L-A-T-E-D. Congratulated. C-O-N-G-R-A-T-U-L-A-T-E-D. Congratulated. Okay. So next is Midas was not dashed with all his wealth. Okay, Lakshita. So very good, Ashwadan. Midas was not satisfied. Happy is also right. Satisfied, Aryan, right answer. Tanuja, right answer. Vidhi, right answer. Satisfied, S-A-T-I-S. Satisfied, F-I-E-D, fight. Very good. Third is Midas was a very dash man. Okay. Aryan, right answer. He was a very greedy man. G-R-E-E-D-Y, greedy. Okay. Kanak, Tanuja, right answer. Aryan, Harshit, everybody right. Okay. The fourth is the fairy asked Midas to dash that water on his daughter. Okay, very good. Kushal, Kunal, Aryan, Vidhi, Tanuja, Lakshita. No, Lakshita, right answer is sprinkle. She asked Midas to sprinkle that water on his daughter. Sprinkle. S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E. Very good. Everybody is giving the right answer. Everybody. Okay. Next is, these days people want to become rich by dash means. Okay, right. Very good. Kunal, Vidhi, anybody else? Angel, Tanuja, anybody else? Aryan, you can also write down the answer. Fair or foul. Aryan, check your answer, beta. Fifth one. It's not gold. These days people want to become rich by dash means. Means sources. कौन से सोर्सेस से हम रिच बनना चाहते हैं? फेयर और फाउल, F-A-I-R, और फाउल, F-O-U-L, फाउल. Okay. Okay. Next is exercise number C. Write T for true and F for false statement. The first one is Midas was a poor king. Okay, false. Very good, Aryan, Harshit. Very good. The right answer is false. Second is he loved gold very much. Okay, Aryan, everybody, Harshit, everybody, Kanak. Very good, Kunal. Lakshita, others also, Vikas, you also write down the answers in the chat box. Guru, Vikas, Mayank, write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, very good, write down. He loved gold very much. The right answer is true. The third one is he was not satisfied in spite of his huge wealth. Okay, everybody, right answer. Harshit Agarwal, others also give the answer. Mayank, Vikas, write down the answer. He was not satisfied in spite of his huge wealth. Aliza, very good. Anybody else? Try it. The right answer is true. Guru, write down the answer. Jivisha, okay. Kanak is writing and Kaustubh Sen, write down the answers. Bhavya Motwani, very good. Write down. The right answer is true. Fourth is only a rich man can be happy. False. Very good. Others also write down the answers. Because write down, beta. Write down the answer. Dimple, you can also write down in the chat box. Dimple. Tanuja, you can also give the answers in the chat box. Vidhi, you also. Vidhi, try to write down the answers in the chat box. Okay. It's okay, Vidhi. Okay, I got it. Fifth one is we should try to get as much as wealth we can. False. Very good. Kaustubh Sen is writing. Very good. Harshit, Kanak, Vikas. Very good. Very good. Bhavya. Okay, Aliza. Okay, the right answer is false. Very good. Okay. So now we will be discussing the question and answers. Okay. The first one is who was Midas and what did he want? I will divide the question into two parts. First, I will ask you the first one, okay, so that you are able to write down in the chat box. Who was Midas? Okay, write down. Who was Midas? Okay, Harshvardhan, write. Very good. Anybody else write down? Yeah, Vidhi, try to write. Very good. Okay, but what kind of king he was? Vidhi, Shubham, what kind of king? He was a king, but of what kind? Kaisa tha? Happy, satisfied, or greedy? Very good, Aryan. Write down. Right answer. Vidhi, write down. He was a very good. He was a greedy king. Who was Midas? Midas was a greedy king. Okay. Next is second part of the same question. What did he want? Okay, very good. He wanted to become more and more rich. Very good. And okay, gold with the right answer. And Bhavya, right. He wanted. Okay, anybody else? He wanted more and more gold. Very good. Okay. Yes. The right answer is what did he want? He wanted more and more of gold so that he could be the richest king in the world. Is it clear? He wanted more and more of the gold to be the richest king in the world. Next is from the fairy, and what boon did he ask from the fairy? First part of the question is what boon did he ask? Okay, Aryan. Okay, very good, Aryan. Right answer. Anybody else? You can write down the answer in short also. I will read it and understand. Lot of gold and okay. Everything it has to become gold. Very good, Harshvardhan. Very good. Lot of gold. Yeah. What boon did he ask from the fairy? The boon which he asked from the fairy was that anything that is whatever he could touch should turn into a gold. This was his boon, that whatever he touched should turn into gold. Now the second part is why did he wanted this wish? Why did he wanted this wish? Okay, because do you want to write down in the chat box? Write down. Why did he wanted this wish? Why did he wanted this wish? Okay, I'll unmute you. If you want to answer me, you can raise your hands. Yes, Harshit, do you want to give the answer? Harshit. Okay. Okay, Aryan, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, what's the
Harshit,
question?
why did he wanted this boon? Why did he ask this boon from the fairy that if he could touch anything, that the thing should be turned into gold? Why?
Because when he touched all the things, it changed to gold, including his daughter and food, what he needs to eat.
No. I'm asking. उसने ये wish क्यों मांगी थी? Why did he ask for this wish that everything should turn into gold? उसने ये wish क्यों मांगी थी? Why? The reason is, the question is why?
That everything he touched become gold.
ये तो उसकी wish थी हर्षित. उसने ये wish क्यों मांगी थी? ऐसा क्यों चाहता था कि everything should turn into gold? Why did he want so? You can give the answer in your own language.
He wanted to become richest man in the world.
Okay, very good, Harshit. Right answer, because he wanted to be the richest man in the world. Next is question number 3. Why could Midas not be happy even with the golden touch? Aryan, you can give the answer.
Become when he touched all the things, it changed to gold, including his daughter and food, what he needs to eat.
And so, why he could not be happy even with the gold? Because when he got this power to turn everything into gold, he could not eat anything, he could not drink anything, and also his daughter Marigold, whom he loved the most, turned into gold. Right answer, Aryan. You gave the right answer. Next is Vidhi. Do you want to try the next one? Angel, Bhavya, you can unmute yourself. Angel, you can also unmute yourself. And anybody else? Yes, Kanak, you can unmute yourself now. Yes, Kanak, do you want to give the next answer is, what all things did Midas touch to see if the fairy's promise had come true?
King Midas eagerly awoke to check if the fairy's promise had come true. He touched his bed, his clothes, and they turned into gold.
Okay.
He was very
And
surprised and was wild with joy.
okay, what else did he touch? What else? All the things you have to mention. Kanak, mention other things also.
Or he touched his bed and his clothes, see if the
Very good.
fairy's promise had come true.
Okay, and what did he touch was? His table, chair, almirah, doors and windows, all these things he touched. So, very good, Kanak. The right answer is, he touched his bed, clothes, table, chair, and his almirah, doors and windows, and all these things turned into gold. Last question is, how did Midas get relieved of the curse? How did he get relieved of the curse? Okay, Harshvardhan, you have written the right answer. Anybody wants to give the answer? If anybody wants, you can speak and give the answer. Raise your hands, I can unmute you. Yes, Rhythm, unmute yourself. Yes, Rhythm.
मैम थर्ड वाला आंसर क्या है?
Rhythm, third answer.
यस मैम.
Why could Midas not be even with the touch of his golden touch? Because by touching everything, the food, water, and his daughter, he was now hungry and thirsty because he could not eat anything, could not drink anything, and also his daughter, whom he loved the most, has also turned into gold.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Rishi, do you want to give the last answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last. How did Midas get relieved of the curse?
Midas get relieved of the curse by wash his hands with the water given to him by fairy.
Very good. He got relieved. He got relieved of the curse by washing his hands with the water which was given to him by the fairy. I hope you all have understood.
Yes,
Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the lesson clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And are the question and answers also clear to you? You can write down in the chat box and tell me. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If everything is clear to you, you can write down in the chat box and tell me. Okay, now the time is over and we have also completed this lesson. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will continue with the next lessons in our next classes. Okay? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rhythm.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. मैम
Hmm.
मैम इंग्लिश ग्रामर में मैम हमें सिर्फ 1 to 4 चैप्टर की ही पीडीएफ मिली है अभी तक.
Chapter number 1 to 4. English
Yes,
grammar.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask ma'am. She will send you the other PDFs also. She is having all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
PDFs. I will tell her today and she will send you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you all and have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Have a
all
nice
of
day,
you.
ma'am.
Have a nice day to all of you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.